The first feature in Corecon's Correspondence module is issues. No matter how smoothly a job may be running, when issues come up, proper documentation and correspondence is key to minimizing risks and managing effectively. Some project issues will be minor in nature and are resolved quickly, but others may be critical and lead to changes. Thus, having a system to track events on a timeline basis, from the first occurrence to the final resolution, and the ability to link information together is imperative to making an accurate assessment of the issue and how it developed. Corecon's Issues feature is specifically designed for this function and is often used as a backup material when presenting a change proposal request or change order. Before we begin, there's a few reminders. First, make sure that all companies that will be referenced in the issue show in your project directory. You can optionally set the issue types in Global Settings, Feature Settings, and Correspondence. This was covered in a separate video. You can also review the list of issue status options in Global Settings, Feature Settings, and Correspondence, also covered in a separate video. Remember that after you have discussed the issue with your project team to develop a resolution, be sure to update the fields in the status and resolution section by clicking the pencil icon next to the issue details at the top. Marking the issue closed will remove it from the correspondence calendar and alert views. To add a new issue, under Correspondence, next to Issues, go to Actions and click Add Manually. We'll give it an issue date. The issue number is assigned based on the numbering format set up in your global settings. The subject we'll select a type, a priority, and a due date. The coordinated by would be your company and someone within your company, and the description. If you need to, you can reference the prime contract number, a subcontract number, an SCO, a drawing, location. We'll just put this in here for location. Spec section, and they leave a place for you to record other, and click next. Now we want to select the companies involved. We'll select Stick of Concrete, Pinnacle Specialties, and the customer, client, or project owner. We'll also select the architect, and if you need to, additional individuals from within your company. I'm going to add myself, and then click Add and Next. Now we'll add some detailed items. We'll first add one manually. And we'll give it a rough estimate. We can also import items from the daily log, from journal references, permits, punch list items, RFI references, or submittal references. We'll add another item manually. Even though we put in an estimated financial impact, these numbers would no doubt be more specific once we see how the issue is resolved. And then we'll click Skip. We also may want to add some local files, or we can select link existing files. They've already been uploaded. First, we'll add the detail for the stabilized construction entrance or temporary construction entrance, and also the wash option, and click Add and Finish. If I need to make an edit to the entry, I just go to the Issue Details, click the Edit button, and click Save and Close. Once the issue's been discussed or resolved, we want to make an update to the notes, so we'll just click Edit again. We'll get down to the resolution and close status. We're going to go ahead and mark this as closed and add the comments to the resolution. And click Save and Close. As the companies involved respond to this issue, their comments and the date that responded will show up under their company name and contact name. If you need to print this, go to Reports at the top, show Issue Details, click OK. Also, so that everyone in the companies involved is given notice, you'll want to go to Actions and Send Issue. The individuals that will receive this information and a preview of how the email will appear, and click Send Email. Once you have several issues, you may also want to print out a log of these issues. So we'll go to Reports. We'll select the issues group by status and reference field. Even though we only have one at this point in time, a continual log will appear. If you'd like to know more about the information in this training video, we encourage you to go to the knowledge base, to leads and projects, to correspondence, and to issues. This knowledge base article, as well as the associated articles, cover the information in this training video, as well as additional details that you'll find helpful.